Hello, welcome once again. Today we want to find the value of x, given that we have x squared minus s cubed equals 12. So guys, let's have it to the solution. Now we have s squared minus s cubed equals 12. So from here guys, we have s squared minus s cubed. Let's take this one this side. We have minus 12 to be equals 0. But guys, we have x squared minus s cubed. We can have this 12 as minus 4 minus 8 to be equals 0. We believe that minus 4 minus 8 will give us minus 12. So now we have x squared minus s cubed. We can have 4 in base 2 as 2 raised to power 2, and this as well we can have it to be 2 raised to power 3. Then we have everything to be equals 0. Now let's take this together with this. We have s squared minus 2s squared, then minus s cubed minus 2 raised to power 3. We have everything to be equals 0. Now guys, let's take them in bracket as s squared minus 2 raised to power 2. Then when we minus out from this, then definitely here will be plus s cubed. Then here will also be plus 2 raised to power 3. Then we have everything to be equals 0. The moment when you open the bracket back, then you are going to get back your minus and minus here. Then guys, let us recall from difference of 2 squared. When you have a squared minus b squared, we always have this to be equals a plus b all in bracket, then multiply by a minus b all in bracket. And likewise, when you have difference of 2 cube, when you have a cube minus b cube, this we have it to be a plus b all in brackets, then multiply by a square minus ab plus b square. So now by applying this expression here to this, and by applying this expression here to this, then we're going to have this to be, for the first one we have it to be x plus 2. Our a here is x, then our b equals 2. Then we have this to be x minus 2. Mind you that we have minus here, so we are going to have here to be minus, then open brackets. For the first one here, we also have our a to be equals x and our b to be equals 2. So we have here to be x plus 2, then again multiply by x, that is a square will be x squared, minus a is 2. A is x and b is 2. So we have it to be minus 2x plus our b square is 2. Then we have it to be 4. Then we have everything to be equals 0. So from here guys, we have x plus 2 in common in both. So we can have it to be x plus 2. Then we are going to have the whole of this divided by this, we have it to be x minus 2. Then the whole of this divided by this, we have it to be minus into x squared minus 2x plus 4. Then we have everything to be equal 0. So now guys, from here we have x plus 2. Then from here we have x minus 2. By opening the bracket with this minus, we are going to have this one to be minus s squared. Then from here we have here to be plus 2x. Then we have this one to be minus 4. Then we have everything to be equal 0. So from here guys, we have x plus 2. Then from this x, we have this one to be minus x squared. 2x plus x will give us plus 3x. Then minus 4 minus 2 will give us minus 6. Then we have everything to be equal 0. So now guys, from here we have, is either we have x plus 2 equals 0, or we have minus x squared plus 3x minus 6 to be equal 0. So now from here we have our x to be equals minus 2. That is the first value of x. Now from here, let us divide through by minus 1. When we divide through by minus 1, this implies that we are going to have this one to be x squared minus 3x plus 6 to be equals 0. And so from here, to get the possible value of x, from here we can apply general formula of quadratic that says s equals minus b, then positive or negative, then square root of b squared minus 4ac, all divided by 2a. So from here, our a is the coefficient of x squared, which is 1. Then our b is the coefficient of x, which equals minus 3. Then our c is the constant value, which equals 6. So by plugging everything here, we have our s to be equals minus into minus 3, then positive or negative, then square root of minus 3 square minus 4, then multiply by a is 1, multiply by b 6. Then we have everything divided by 2, multiply by a 1. So from here, we have the value of s to be equals minus times minus will be plus 3, then positive or negative, square root of this one will be 9, minus times plus will be plus, 4 times 1 4 times this, we have it to be 24. Then we have everything to divide by 2. So from here we have our s to be equals 3 positive or negative. 9 minus 24 will give us minus 15, then divided by 2. So from here we can simplify this as 3 positive or negative square root of 15, then multiply by square root of minus 1, then all divided by 2. So from here we have our x to be equals 3 positive or negative square root of 15, root of minus 1 always equals I, then all divided by 2. So if the value of x equals this, then we have to recall from here that we have our s to be equals minus 2. So we can declare finally that we have s1 to be equals minus 2. Then we can have our s2 from here to be 3 plus square root of 15i divided by 2. Then we can have our s3 to be equals 3 minus square root of 15i divided by 2. And these are the 3 solutions for the value of x. So now let's check. Let's check for the real solution. This is the real value and this is the complex value. So let's check for the real value. We have s squared minus s cubed to be equals 12. So when s equals minus 2, let's see what will happen. So we are going to have minus 2 raised to power 2, then minus 2 raised to power 3, then are they going to give us 12? So from here we have This minus raised to power even, we always give you plus. So they have here to be 2 raised to power 2, 4. Then minus this one, minus raised to power odd, we always have it to be minus. 2 raised to power 3, we have it to be 8. Then are they going to give us 12? We have here to be plus. Minus times minus will give us plus. We have 8, which equals 12. So this is true for the value of x equals minus 2. So if you find this video interesting, don't forget to share, like, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more mathematics tutorial videos. Bye bye.